Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we got a Diamond Art Club haul. I have 3 canvases. All these have been on my wish list. One of them, what was I gonna say? One of them was out of stock for quite some time, and I finally got it. Finally came back into stock. We're not gonna do that one first, we're gonna do this one first. A Kind of Magic. Okay, so here's the sticker. Oh, look, guys, I got another one. And here's the washi tape. Looks like cherry blossoms. I don't know. Cute, though. Okay. Top to bottom. It's kind of like an under the sea. Maybe she's a mermaid. Who knows? $40 colors, 50 by 7 by 58.8, so 50 by 58, 23 by 23 if you're counting inches. Pamphlet. Here is our sticker sheet, Our Lady. Looks like we have 3 ABs, and I think we have another special drill. Starts with a K. I don't know what those are, so I'm gonna have to look. Oh, here they are. Here's the special drill right in front. They're kind of metallic-y. Are these little electro drills? I'm not sure. Well, there's 3 bags. Number 40, $3. Okay, so this sparkly metallic-y color is the entire dark blue background up here too. Oh, that's nice. That's going to be very interesting. I can't wait to see them. Hopefully they're not like the ABs. I have been having a real problem with the Diamond Art Club ABs. They're just so harsh with everything that I put in my pen, and they just tear putty right out of my pen and sticks all over the diamonds, or vice versa. The putty just, it takes the coating right off, and then it leaves it with like an ugly drill on the canvas, which I have to rip off and replace with a new one and go through the same spiel. Oh, that's really pretty. Here's our first AB. Blue. Here are colors, so they're special drills each. These are really pretty colors, you guys. Here's another AB. Orangey red. Orange. I think there's one more AB we're missing. These smaller bags. Here's the other AB. Pinkish purple. Okay, got them all back in. Put the sticker on them so I can identify the drills. She's really pretty, you guys. Here's the artist and the name of the canvas if you are interested. They also have a coupon code, Facebook, Instagram on the bottom. This is really, really pretty. This is nice. And this is not too overly big. I like the fish in here. This is really, really nice. She's cute. So, let's go on to the next. Okay, got the next one ready. What's our next one? Yes, it's not another Camilla de Erica one. I love her paintings. Currently working on one. Does that look so blurry? Sorry, you guys. And we got a little seashell one. Very fitting. This is like an ocean-based canvas. Water canvas. Oh boy. Sticker sheet. Oh, just turned on my light pad. How cute she is, you guys. She's got water for hair. And it's like a seahorse with like a mermaid tail. This one's very interesting. 57 colors, 1, 2, 3 fairy dust, and only 1 AB. Let's take a look. A lot of colors, a lot of blues. Here's a fairy. This is a fairy dust. A seafoam green. Smaller weight colors. There's a fairy dust, some pink. I wonder where that's gone. We're gonna look. Hopefully we can find it. White AB. It's always white ABs. I would assume with all the blue, there would be a blue AB. But apparently there's not. So. Okay. So sticker on the diamonds. I do a really poor job of putting them back in when there's that many. So Number 1 is the white AB. So it's kind of like the foam in the waves, this white. Over here, all these white sprays that you see. And the pink fairy dust is going to go in the eyes, in her eyes, and the horse's eyes. And the sea foam and the blue fairy dust. It's going to be in the water. Very nice. Isn't she cute? Really nice, you guys. And I didn't tell you the size of her. She's a 55.8 by 70.9. So 55.7 by 70, 22 by 28. She's really cute. They all have the same face. Really nice. Let's get to the last one. Oops. Oh, you guys, I didn't tell you. The last 2 canvases were round drills. This last one is a square. I wish I could have gotten it in round, but they didn't give an option for it. And it kind of is what it is. If you want the canvas bad enough, I guess. I know somebody who's going to be really excited to see this one. Tita. We went back and forth. She contacted me the day it came back in stock and let me know it was back in stock. And we went back and forth trying to find coupons. And so, yeah. Tita, it's finally in. Here's the washi tape. And I got another little seashell. How cute. And of course you get the tweezers because it's a square. Now this is supposed to be a big canvas, you guys. And it has a lot of colors. Two sticker sheets. Yes, 83 colors, you guys. That's pure insanity. I thought it was crazy I was working on something with 74 colors right now, but I think this takes the cake. Okay. Top to bottom. Now, if you guys remember, I got this canvas as a knockoff from AliExpress. I stopped doing it because there was so much confetti in the square. I mean, it was a 30 by 40, so the entire canvas was confetti, and it didn't look like it was showing any detail, especially in her hair. Her hair is yarn, if you haven't noticed by now. And there's lines, you know, the threads and stuff, the detail. And it wasn't showing up on the 30 by 40. So, that's why I wanted to get the bigger one. Obviously, I love yarn, crocheter. Look, she's knitting. How cute. I don't knit, but same spiel. Looks like she's knitting a galaxy. And from the picture, I think these planets are also made out of yarn. The way it shows online. Some of them look like yarn strands when it's finished. Whoa. Okay, so she's a 55.8 by 76 even. So 55 by 76. 22 by 30. So yeah, she's big. She's big, but she's beautiful. I love this. This is going to definitely be a project. Especially because it's squares and I'm just now trying squares again. I am working on a smaller canvas right now and it's going okay so far. There will be an update soon. It's for the Rainbow Girl event that Diamond Painting Bewitched Cat's holding. But anyways, there's one fairy dust in here and 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs, which is really exciting. Isn't she stunning with the yarn hair? Tita, isn't she beautiful? These are all the drills. I don't think I'm going to go crazy taking this all out. This is a lot of drills. White AB. First one I saw other ABs. Yes. Green ABs. Right here. A lot of blue. And there's other ABs, and there's a fairy dust. Fairy dust, I'd have to be up close and personal to see, but oh, here we go. There's another AB. Pink. We got a lot of pink in this one. But yeah, these are the colors, you guys. Nice pastel-y colors. But I'm going to leave that wrapped up really, really nice because that's a lot of diamonds. Okay, you guys. So we have Threads of the Universe by Scott Howden. It's a big one. It's the biggest one we got today, I think. And the next biggest is my little man-eater. Under her. One last look. And our, I don't want to say our snack size, but I guess it's a snack size compared to the rest. This lady, a Kind of Magic. Oh, excuse me. Really, really stunning, you guys. I'm really excited about these canvases. They're really beautiful. So, just letting you know, guys, I got a $150 coupon. So I used my coupon the other day and got some more. I did order a canvas for a friend. So, everything will be in, you know, Diamond Art Club ships 3 to 6 days. So, it'll be in eventually soon. So, you guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my new canvases. I was really excited when she came back and stuff. I almost didn't buy her. I didn't want to buy Threads of the Universe without a coupon. It just didn't seem normal to buy it at full price. I'm sorry. I used, I think, a 20% off code, and I got her with this one. I used them together, so I got 20% off the total of the purchase. And then for my little man-eater, this one, I used a VIP group discount, which was 15% off. So use coupons for everything, guys. Don't shop on here unless you have coupons. There's coupons everywhere. You just have to look. Definitely use the coupons. It just makes more sense. So I hope you guys like the content. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you for returning and your continued support. And without further ado, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.